video, I wanted to show you how the EV only mode works in the Q7, Audi Q7 55 TFSI-E. And now we are cruising in a main road, and so you can see that I've got EV range left. I've just started. It's a rainy day, rainy September day, and cruising around 80 kilometers per hour currently. And as you can see on the left hand side, the speedometer shows you how much energy the EV is consuming, right? And if I switch the screen one left, then you can see my average electric power consumption. And as you can see, it's currently around 32 kilowatt hour, right? 32 kilowatt hour. And that's indeed a bit high if you compare it to a BMW i3, for example, but it makes sense, right? Because the car weighs a lot. And overall, that's why the car can go below 50 kilometers, because with this average consumption and with the battery pack of 18 kilowatt hour, it makes sense for everyone, right? That my maximum EV distance. Now the other thing is that one of you asked me that what happens when you brake. Let me show you on the speedometer on the left hand side. I softly touch the brake now, and you can see that the car charges back, right? But now I'm cruising on a main road, and what happens if I leave the throttle and I don't touch anything? This happens. So the car is not braking, right? It's just cruising. So I think that's an advantage compared to traditional EVs, but I heard that you can turn it off in the EVs, this option. Now the other thing is that when the car recognizes that there is a speed limit of 30, then it's gonna brake. And when it's braking, then it's recharging for you. Now you can see I'm pushing the throttle a little bit, and you can see that how far you can push that throttle. Like now, I turned on the petrol engine because I pushed through that limit of EV power, and then the petrol kicks in. And I'm super happy that I can show you this feature of the car. And you can see that on the top, in the middle of the screen computer, you can see that my average petrol consumption kicks in. And of course, because now my EV power is almost hardly used, then it goes down. So it makes sense, right? And you can see my full range right there. And that's the beauty of it. It's super silent now. I'm braking, but I'm braking harder because I was in the turn, and now I'm accelerating. Now the 138 horsepower are quite okay. If you accelerate well for you. But the thing is that's recharging. Now if I push the brake harder, then it won't recharge more. So I hope you found this video useful, and it made